Are you struggling to improve your website's visibility on search engines? Do you want to drive more traffic to your site and increase your click-through rate? Center. If so, optimizing your metadata is the key. Metadata is an essential aspect of your website's SEO strategy. It helps search engines understand what your content is about and how relevant it is to users' queries. In this article, we'll cover everything you need to know about metadata, including who needs it, what it is, when to use it, how to optimize your metadata, and much more. Related posts: the best method to optimize app icons on Google Play and App Store, how to optimize app titles in the App Store and Google Play. 1. Who needs optimize your metadata? Anyone who wants to improve their website's online presence should be concerned with metadata. If you have a website, blog, online store, or any other digital platform, you need to ensure that your metadata is optimized for search engines. Metadata refers to the information that describes your content. This includes titles, descriptions, and keywords. Search engines use this data to determine the relevance of your content to users' search queries. Titles are the most critical element of your metadata. They provide a concise description of what your page is about and help users decide whether to click on your link or not. Your title should be descriptive, accurate, and include your primary keyword. Descriptions are brief summaries of your content that appear below the title in search results. They should be compelling, informative, and entice users to click through to your website. Including your target keyword in the description can help improve your click-through rate. Keywords are the terms and phrases that describe your content. They help search engines understand what your page is about and rank it appropriately. However, it's crucial to use keywords sparingly and ensure that they are relevant to your content. 2. How to optimize your metadata. Now that you understand the importance of metadata, let's dive into how to optimize it effectively. Conduct keyword research. Before you start optimizing your metadata, you need to conduct keyword research. This will help you identify the terms and phrases that users are searching for and ensure that your content is relevant to their queries. Use relevant keywords in titles and descriptions. Once you've identified your target keywords, it's time to incorporate them into your titles and descriptions. Be sure to use them naturally and avoid stuffing them in. Write compelling titles and descriptions. Your titles and descriptions should be compelling and entice users to click through to your website. Consider using power words, numbers, and emotional triggers to make them more engaging. Keep titles under 60 characters. Search engines typically display up to 60 characters of your title in search results. Therefore, it's essential to keep your title concise and within this limit. Keep descriptions under 155 characters. Similarly, search engines display up to 155 characters of your description in search results. Ensure that your description is informative, compelling, and within this limit. Avoid duplicate metadata. Using duplicate metadata can confuse search engines and harm your SEO efforts. Make sure that each page on your website has unique metadata. 3. Pros and cons of optimize your metadata. Like any SEO tactic, metadata optimization has its pros and cons. Let's take a look at some of the advantages and disadvantages. Pros: improves your website's visibility on search engines, increases click-through rate. Center. Helps search engines understand what your content is about, enhances user experience by providing relevant information. Cons: can be time-consuming to implement, requires ongoing maintenance. Overusing keywords can result in penalties from search engines. 4. The best tools for metadata optimization. Several tools can help you optimize your metadata effectively. Here are some of the best tools to consider. Google Search Console. Google Search Console is a free tool that allows you to monitor your website's performance on search engines, including identifying issues with your metadata. Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO is a popular WordPress plugin that helps you optimize your metadata and content for search engines. SEMrush. SEMrush is a comprehensive SEO tool that provides keyword research, competitor analysis, and metadata optimization capabilities. 5. Use header tags effectively. Header tags organize your content into sections and subsections and help search engines understand its hierarchy and relevance to users' search queries. To use header tags effectively, use descriptive language that accurately reflects the content under each section header. Use H1 tags for the main heading of your page. Use H2, H3, and H4 tags for subheadings and subsections include your target keyword in at least one header tag. 6. Monitor your metadata regularly. It's important to monitor your metadata regularly and make updates when necessary. You can use tools like Google Search Console and SEMrush to track your metadata performance and identify issues that need to be addressed. To monitor your metadata effectively, check for duplicate or missing metadata. Ensure that your metadata accurately reflects the content on your page. Test your metadata using Google's structured data testing tool. Conclusion: metadata optimization is an essential aspect of your SEO strategy. It helps search engines understand what your content is about, improves your website's visibility, and enhances user experience. By following the tips and best practices outlined in this guide and using the right tools, you can optimize your metadata effectively and boost your online presence. Related posts: https ososervice.com Best Guide to Run Ads for Mobile Apps on Twitter 2023. https ososervice.com Android iOS Direct App Downloads Installs. Thanks so much for reading this article. Source: https